channel. So today we are going to play Granny mod menu.
Yes.
Yeah, and in there I can also be Granny, a spider and all. If you want to download this mod menu, tell me if you want to download this mod menu. I'll put the mod menu in the description and in the comment. Let's play without any wasting time. As you can see, this 49 second, 50 second passed, and now day 1 came. Okay guys, finally I woke up, and where is the outfit? Oh yeah, it's here. I want to okay guys, let me put the mod menu. Okay, in this mod menu you can, if you go to Granny you will die, but if you go on the first page, there will be here God mode. If you press this, guys, you can't fly, but when you go to Granny, I'll show you what does God menu means. You will not die also, and if you want to fly, then you should do no clip, then you can fly like something. Oh hey, I'm a shark, buddy. Let's go. Hey, wait, hey, what the secret? No. Hey, where's the spider, bro? Oi. Oh yeah, boy. How you been, spider? I've been missing you too much. Just kidding. Okay, I stuck the Granny. Now I can concentrate on my work. Now let me show you the main part. I mean, not my main part. I'm asking the main fun of this. Now look at this. Just go to the second page and you will see the Granny mode on. In this you will become Granny, but if you don't want this vision, go to Granny menu. Yeah, Granny vision off. Now look at this. Now you can do this also.
Where are you?
Let's go and meet Granny and see how she reacts. Where are you? Do you want to play hide and seek? Now get out. Okay, guys, you can spawn how many of these if you want, but be careful. Now I'll show you. Oh shit. Now I want to show you spider mode. Okay, you can do so many webs, but this is useless actually. What the F? What is this? Too much confusing. Let's try to go to the Granny's room again and see how is she doing. It's too much confusing, right? Let's go to Granny and then do this. Hey Granny, how are you doing? Ah! Yo, WTF, how did I? Okay, I'll show you one cool this. You can spawn Baldi and Bendy, I'll show you. Don't believe me? Hey! Good morning, get out! Where's Bendy? I can't see him. Oh, hey Bendy! How are you doing? Get out of here! Now let's go to the what we call item spawner. I need an engine part, then battery, spark padlock key, gas can, spark plug, car key, engine part, wrench, and nothing. Yeah. Engine first. Okay, I don't need this. First I need gas. Put this. Now I need wrench. Take the wrench. Do this. What we call wrench thingy. And okay, why? Take car battery. Place over here. Hey, what is this then? Battery only. Oh, sorry, I am holding battery. I need a car battery. What am I? Car battery. Why car key only? कार के बेटा कार. Yeah, car battery. Now I need is spark plug. Now I need is car key. Now I need is this. Okay. Now I need is gasoline. Let's go. Yeah. This is like this sound. It makes me uncomfortable. It looks like we are peeing. It makes me so much uncomfortable. Now where is the car? Okay, car key is over here. Let's escape. Forward. Open this. Open. Let's go. Oh yeah, sorry. If you enjoy, like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.